I watched a particular video on YouTube where a lady shared how she uploaded consistently for 2 weeks and got 500 subscribers. And before then, I'd been wanting to also do that challenge, although I wanted a 30 days challenge, but I was still trying to plan and plan and plan. And then I decided that when I saw that one, I decided that please, if I just keep waiting until I've planned very well, I might as well not do this challenge. Okay, so I now decided that okay, let me even try the 2 weeks one first and then see if to continue or not or whatever. And it worked for me. Yes, I'm going to share with you the progress I could observe on my channel and why I feel you should try this also. But most importantly, there are some pieces of advice I'm going to share with you based on this my own experiment. I call it my own experiment. So, and there were some things that I actually learned, some lessons that I learned. And please, before you start yours, I'm saying you should start too, but before you start, please just listen to these pieces of advice. Now, even if you're a small YouTuber, trust me, you can try this challenge also and it's going to help you. Now, this is the reason. I was watching a video on YouTube of one creator insider, that's someone who works with YouTube. The person was talking about how that YouTube actually has a team that works with small channels because they also want to bring out or push out their own things. They don't want them to feel frustrated. So if you're having good content, you're delivering good content, once you put a video out there, okay, you have a good thumbnail and all of that, YouTube would start putting it out. You start pushing it out to some people's feeds, okay, and see how people react to your own video. And that's the reason your thumbnail is actually very, very crucial. If you have good content on your video but don't have a good thumbnail, people are not going to know that you have good content. I've said it on one of my other videos. I said on this YouTube street, a book is judged by its cover. Okay, so if your thumbnail is not good, people will just feel like, you know, they can just scroll by because there are way more videos that they have to watch. Do you understand? So even if you're a small YouTuber, you can also try out this challenge. It's going to work for you. Trust me, it will work for you. So now let's quickly dive into what I actually noticed. Now, the first thing that I noticed was an increase in my views, of course. And of course, an increase in my views equals to an increase in my watch hours. Let me just put on my glasses. Okay, so I decided to put on my glasses so that I can easily read from my book. Okay, now I started on the 1st of August 2024, right? I was uploading long form content every day. I was also uploading shorts on my YouTube. On the 1st of August, I had less than 550 subscriber counts. I can't remember the actual number, but it was lesser than 550 subscribers. On the 2nd of August, my subscriber count increased to 550 subscribers. Then 4 days later, that's on the 6th of August, I had 600 subscribers. That means I had an additional 50 subscribers in just 4 days. And then on the 7th of August, I had 650 subscribers. That's in just 1 day, I had gained another 50 subscribers. And then on the 11th of August, that's 4 days later, I gained another 50 subscribers, which made it 700 subscribers. On the 15th of August, I had 750 subscribers. Okay, remember I said I tried that experiment for 2 weeks. Actually, I did it from August 1 to the 13th of August. I don't think I uploaded any video on the 14th of August because there was just a lot of activities. I was involved in a lot that time. Work, church, different things. I was just doing a lot of things because I do a 9 to 5. So I was doing a lot of things, but I was trying to upload good content so that people would be attracted. It helped to really, really push out my channel. And then I was even getting more comments. And of course, I was also posting on my community tab. Even if you're a small YouTuber, trust me, this thing is going to help because YouTube will definitely pick the fact that you are being consistent, you're uploading daily, you're uploading daily. Your hard work cannot just go in the drain like that. It's not possible. You can come on my comment section and let me know when you want to start your challenge and let me know how it's going. Okay, if you do not have the YouTube studio on your phone yet, please download it, okay, and try to be following up with your videos, how they are doing, okay, on YouTube, so you know what you need to adjust, what you need to, look out for, and even how you can even get maybe ideas for your next video. Do you understand? Let me remove these glasses. This is the real part. Lessons that I learned, because this experiment, I learned. First one is not everybody's journey is the same. Now, this lady, she got 500 subscribers or over that in 2 weeks due to her consistent uploading. Me, I got like 200 subscribers and above in 2 weeks. Do you understand? So our journey is not the same. Now, what works for person A might not actually work for you. Of course, there's going to be some improvement, okay, but it might not be exactly their results that you're also going to get. And in fact, your own results might even be better than their own results. So everybody's journey is different. So don't even compare yourself. You can get inspiration from them, get motivated and do your own thing, but don't expect the same results. If not, there's every possibility that you might get frustrated. Just tell yourself that I'm just doing this thing to see what the progress is going to be, my own progress is going to be. Do you understand? So don't compare yourself with anybody so you don't get frustrated. Now, the second lesson that I learned is, see, this thing, if you do not properly plan to upload consistently for as long as you want, whether 2 weeks, whether 30 days, you're going to get burnt out. You're going to get overwhelmed, especially if you are doing other things. Probably you work 9 to 5, you own a family, you're involved in different activities, you're going to get burnt out. It got to a time I almost got frustrated because I was uploading every day. I do a 9 to 5, I have my video editing business, and then I'm involved in church activities. I'm thinking of ideas, I'm filming, I'm editing, I'm posting, I'm thinking of the next one, and it's every day. And I had a particular time that I was posting every day. So if you don't properly plan for this thing, you're going to get frustrated. So what I would advise is, before you even start, okay, I'm not saying use the whole week to plan. You can just have a particular day, write down ideas, okay, what you know that you want to film for day 1, day 2, day 3, and to maybe day 7 or day 14 or day 30. Okay, plan everything. Know when you're going to start filming, know how you want to just do it. If it's to film some videos even before you start posting, please do. The next lesson that I learned is your posting time actually matters. On YouTube Studio, there is a place where you have analytics for when your viewers are on YouTube, okay, when your viewers are actually active on YouTube. But if you're not yet having so much watch time on your channel, there's every probability that you won't have that analytics appear for you. In fact, personally, I didn't have it. It was just this morning I checked and I saw that, oh, YouTube already brought it out for me. So now I can be able to tell when my viewers are actually on YouTube. Okay, so if you don't have it, don't even bother yourself. Don't worry, you are still going to have it. Okay, the only thing is keep posting consistently, because posting consistently is going to help increase your watch time. And when your watch time is increased, that is when YouTube will now be able to gather enough data on that particular information. So what I was doing was, I just, because most of my viewers, okay, are from Nigeria. I have viewers from the United States. I have viewers from India and then South Africa and some other countries. Okay, so what I now did was, okay, in Nigeria, where I have the highest percentage, okay, in Nigeria, I know that from 9 to 5, most people will be at work, right? But from that 6, 7, 8, they'll be around, they'll be in the house or going home. And some of them, of course, if you're going home, you might want to be on your phone, watch 1 or 2. Personally, I do that. Or you get home, you want to just relax, you know. So I decided that, okay, let me post my video somewhere around that time. Okay, so I think I was posting around 7 o'clock thereabouts. I was posting around 7, even if it's not exactly 7, it will be like just some minutes past 7. And in fact, there are sometimes when I first started, I was scheduling the video, so immediately it's 7, my video is up already. But then it got to a time I was quite overwhelmed. That's the reason I said proper planning. So those times I was posting like some minutes past 7. In fact, there was time I posted 8, there was time I posted 10 o'clock, and that's one thing that made me to understand that the time you actually post might matter, because immediately you post a video and you have many people engaging that video immediately, real time, there is every probability that YouTube is going to push out that video to more people and your impressions will increase. Do you understand? That period I was posting around 7, and of course in the United States we have 7 hours difference as at this period. Okay, so of course it would be their own 12 noon, and their 12 noon is most of them their break time. Okay, so there's every probability that they would, why am I saying probability? Probably. So there's a likelihood that they would want to get on their phones and watch 1 or 2 during their break time. So that was just a good time for me to post. Okay, so my next tip is, see, this one is actually very important because it's actually affected me. The next one is, don't put yourself under pressure. Okay, you're just trying out an experiment. Don't now put it on your head that, hey, I've not yet posted. Oh, hey, what's going to happen? Oh, no, don't put yourself under pressure. Hey, just relax. If eventually you are not able to post on a particular day, maybe you skip a particular day, please don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself, because this was one thing that actually affected me. I think there was a time I was not meeting up to the 7 o'clock time a particular day, and then I was almost killing myself. I was like, Jesus, I've not posted, I've not done this, and then I was trying to do this, I was trying to edit, Ah, don't put yourself under unnecessary pressure, so you don't give yourself high blood pressure and start treating one sickness that you're not supposed to start treating. There's one Chinese proverb that says, be not afraid of moving slowly, right? Don't be afraid of moving slowly. What you should actually be afraid of is standing still. So as long as you know that you're not just doing nothing, please don't put yourself under pressure. Don't even put yourself under pressure. But one thing I'm going to say is, as you're uploading videos, it's not just about uploading. Upload good content. If you keep uploading every day and you're not, what you're uploading, people don't like it, it's as good as you just stressing out yourself. Try to get better with each video. Okay, so you upload this video today, tomorrow try to see what you can improve on your next video. Do you understand? Whether it's in the editing, whether it's in the style of shooting, however it is that your niche requires or your style is. So just as long as you are getting better, there's no problem. Okay, so don't put yourself under unnecessary pressure. That's the next one. Now, another thing that I learned is this YouTube thing, sort of, it helps you to become more creative. Why? Because if you look at it, the more you are using your brain to do something, the more you are actually improving. Your brain is getting better at that particular thing. So of course, the 14 days I was thinking of new ideas, I was thinking of how to get better with my editing, I was thinking of different things. Of course, I just knew that I was getting more creative. I was getting more creative. I was getting better because it's also going to help build your confidence in front of the camera. Okay, you're not going to be so camera shy because you've uploaded this first day, you've uploaded the second day, the third day. Trust me, it's going to help build your confidence. You get more creative, more used to speaking to the camera and all of that. So it really helped me with that, to be able to easily connect with my audience, because you always come back. And then you people that give me comments, you people that comment one or two on the comment section, trust me, you are the I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. You make this YouTube thing easier for me. Trust me, you make this YouTube thing easier for me. Thank you very, very much. One thing I didn't mention is when I was talking about you uploading good content. Now, because you're a small YouTuber and you might want to feel like, let me just upload what I can upload according to my level. No, even if you're a small YouTuber, you can upload content as if you're a big YouTuber. Okay, so be dishing out the good content. Okay, people are really appreciating it. You are solving their problems. You are giving them what they want, so they will keep coming back. So don't say because you are still small, you now be uploading small. Do your big thing, because you'll still get big. Yes, you still get big. I will still get big. I believe. Amen. I'll get big. So that is just it. So upload good content, whether you're a small YouTuber, whether you're just starting, upload good content. Okay. Now the last thing I'm going to say is, don't give up. Don't give up, because this YouTube thing is going to try you. It's going to test you. But don't give up. Now who give up lose. Do you understand? Don't give up, because there's every probability. I'm not using probability again. No. Because if you give up, okay, everything that you've been working for, you might lose. You might lose all your efforts, because if you're uploading consistently, and you now decide to stop, and then 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, you've not uploaded anything, it's going to affect it's going to even affect you yourself, because coming back, it might be a struggle to start catching up again. Your next video might be the push that your channel needs. Your next video, you never can tell. And then you might even upload a particular video and you feel like it's not doing well, but eventually it might start catching up, because I noticed that some videos on YouTube do that. You might upload and the first week it seems as though your video is not doing very well, but eventually, maybe the next week, the next month, you just see that all of a sudden it starts to pick up, and then people start to watch and all of that. So don't give up. As long as you're uploading, you're increasing your watch time. And before you know it, you're getting closer to the threshold. And before you know it, you get monetized, and then you start getting repaid for all the sweat, all the stress, let me not make this video longer than this. But yeah, these are the lessons that I learned from this experiment of uploading consistently for 2 weeks. I hope this has been very helpful to you. Trust me, you should give this a try, because it's definitely going to help you. Yes, you might have different results, but it is going to help you. No matter how small the result is, clap for yourself, appreciate yourself. Don't beat yourself too much. Do you understand? But strive to get better. To my returning viewers and subscribers, I love you. Thank you very much for coming back. And if you're not even subscribed yet and you're a returning viewer, please, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, subscribe now. Like the video and subscribe now, and please share to everyone who you feel might need it. And if you're just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. I'm Glory C, and this is an educative channel where I talk about YouTube and video editing. So you can be sure to always get something relevant to your growth from this channel. So do well to like and subscribe to become a part of this family. And I'll see you on my other videos on your screen right now. Do well to watch them, because in that video you might get the information that you need for your next video to go viral.